Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you are a fan of pixel minimal watch faces, then I have a watch face that you can try out from Google Play Store, and this one is from Monkey's Dream developer. Name of this watch face is Minimal Black V17. Also, I'm doing a giveaway for this watch face. All you have to do is that just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Since the launch of Pixel Watch, there's a lot of noise regarding Pixel's minimal watch faces. I have already made a video that shows how you can install all those Pixel watch faces to your existing Wear OS Galaxy Watch 4 or Watch 5. Link for it, by the way, is down in description. Okay, now moving on to this watch face, Minimal Black V17. It has this nice and decent black background with these index dials that you can customize for shortcuts as well. Also, we have just the basic information highlighted here, like step counter, heart rate monitor, battery percentage, and at the top we have our date and day. Talking about shortcuts, you have to just tap here and you can assign any app that you want from this list, like Alarm, Assistant, Bixby, and more. In the same way, we have another shortcut present here. Now talking about customization, just long press on the watch face and tap on Customize. Here first of all you can change the index color like this. Then you can change few settings with complications present in the background. So this was all about Minimal Black V17. Do check it out, and now let's see always on display mode. So the always on display mode has highlighted our time, step counter, battery percentage, and day plus date. While index dials are dimmed down, I think this face will conserve a lot of battery even in the AOD mode. So that was all about for today's episode. If you are not able to win this watch face, just buy it and support the developer's amazing work. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.